For IAM Hands-On. In this lecture we are going to cover use of service account, how to use, and cloud IAM quick starts. So let's go. Use of service account. So basically I'm going here for the first document, and then we will go to the Google Cloud using web browsers, and then we'll create. So there is an option IAM admin, and under IAM admin we go to service account. Okay, so I am an admin, then service account. There is the option will create. So it will ask I am a quick start, I am a quick start. This is the name you can give it, cloud I am a demo. Once you done, click on create, and then done, it's done. So assign a role. So role inside IAM admin, there is a option called IAM. You click on IAM, then add, and then after adding you need to search the storage object viewer, and whatever the account previously we created we need to assign here and create storage. So we need to go to storage, then browser, and then create buckets. So on the bucket we create on the bucket, create buckets. So bucket name then creates. So this is a bucket, and in that bucket we can upload some file. So this is done from web browser, and using Cloud Shell I am giving you through chance you guys can create using activate Cloud Shell, and then it will activate like this. Then I am a service account, then manage the key. You need to use key, create new key, then create. Then this key is a GCP activate service account key file. The file was JSON we need to give. Then type G sutil, and then you need to type this one, and it will come. And once it's done you can delete. So let's start the hands-on. I have opened my browser here, so I'm going here. So it's going to IAM admin, and we need to go to service account. So I'm trying to go to here, and then I have previously created. I'm going to create one more. So this is PB underscore prod. We are going for production, and email ID, describe what the service will be. This is for prod account. So once it's create and add, okay, then it's done. So it's already creating PB test, PB prod. Okay, so then now the next part we go to IAM, and then we will add storage. So PB test prod, right, which we just now created, and role is storage. Storage, I'm going to search here. So storage admin, storage, we would like to see storage viewer. Okay, we just create viewer access to this guy with this account, and then it's done. Now we need to go to the storage. So I will go out from storage. Storage would be cloud function, file system, cloud storage. Then we need to go browser. Okay, browser, we will create your cloud storage. You have enabling billing, so I need to enable billing. So if okay, you manage billing. So here you can do the the create buckets, and then you can upload the files. So thank you for watching. Please likes and subscribe my channel. I know this is theory lecture and it's quite boring.